Read an entire PDF using AI. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to read and understand an entire PDF using free AI tools. So make sure to watch till the end and let's get started. First, go to ChatGPT and upload your PDF file. Click on the plus icon. You'll see a paperclip icon. Just drag and drop the file there. Once it's uploaded, ask something like, summarize this PDF in bullet points or give me the key takeaways from each section. The AI will instantly break it down into easy-to-read chunks. You can also ask specific questions like, what is the main argument in Chapter 3? Or explain this in simpler terms. It saves hours of reading time. If you want a faster visual summary, you can paste the text into Claude AI or other tools like Ask Your PDF. They also scan and respond to questions instantly. This works great for books, manuals, reports, or study material, and you'll finish reading smarter, not harder. That's all for the video. Use this trick to read full PDFs in minutes and save time with AI-powered learning. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.